All three of them went out the gate. Then that's when Olivia threw the ceiling fan. That black car that's standing still, she hit it. She threw it, and it landed right in front of the car. That's her son in the orange shirt, Savion. Then that lady that's driving the black car comes back and takes off. Her right there. She is the one who hit me first. And I got her license number. They offered the guy money. Olivia comes back out and tells the guy she'll give him money for his car that was hit. That person right there is the one who hit me first. In the face, the head, and scratched my hand. I guess when I was blocking. The police came. I felt like I was being interrogated by them, getting my information, asking me what happened. I told them I have it on my camera, and they just kept asking me questions and didn't want to contact Olivia or her son. Then they said they had to leave. Something else happened. 2 deputies stayed with me. They did call the paramedics. I was so confused and dazed and worked up by all this nonsense. And I did refuse to go to the hospital because I was afraid to go and afraid to stay. And I don't feel like the deputies did their job at all and didn't want to do it, and told me around 5 o'clock when the deputy called me, Holt, however you pronounce his name, and said he will not be back over here until late at night. He emphasized late. So they know I live alone, and I guess this is when they're going to come and try and intimidate me more, harass me, or even try and hurt me. Just retaliation by Century Station against me. The time now is approximately 9 p.m. And this happened around 4:02. First call to the Sheriff's Department. I got the license number of that vehicle, that black vehicle, the girl that got out and hit me. She came out of Olivia's house.